Will I get nutrient lock if I follow the Lotus feeding schedule? By looking at our EC or ppm levels, you may think that you'll run into a nutrient lock due to overfeeding. However, we've tested Lotus Nutrients on hundreds of grows from seed or clone all the way to harvest, and following these feeding charts will get you the best results. Here are a few tips to make sure your plants are able to use the full feeding each cycle. Number 1, test the ppm after the nutrients are fully blended to ensure you have the correct levels. If you're using soil or cocoa mix, be sure to test the runoff to better calculate the additional nutrients provided by your grow medium. Number 2, make sure you're giving your plants enough light and airflow to utilize these nutrients. Number 3, always keep an eye on your plants. If your plants are stressed from temperature or humidity, that can lead to a reduction of nutrient consumption and may require you to reduce the recommended nutrient dosage.